Tired of waiting for your withdrawals through the same old method? Let's ditch the delay and I'll show you how to easily change your withdrawal method on Pocket Option. First, head over to the Pocket Option website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Make sure you're on the official Pocket Option website to avoid any security risks. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main trading dashboard. Look for the Finance section, usually located on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to access your financial management options. In the Finance section, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Withdrawal to proceed to the Withdrawal Management page. This is where you'll manage your withdrawal requests and methods. Here, you'll see your current withdrawal method displayed. To change it, you'll typically find a button or link labeled Change Method, Update Method, or similar. Click on that button to start the process. A new page will load displaying all the available withdrawal methods. These may include bank transfers, ULITs like Skrill or Nettler, cryptocurrency, and others. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Depending on the new withdrawal method you select, Pocket Option may require a verification step. This could involve verifying your phone number, email address, or uploading proof of identity or address. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the verification process. Once your new withdrawal method is verified, you'll be directed to the withdrawal request form. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and double-check that all the details of your chosen withdrawal method are correct. After confirming the details, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status, and that's all there is to it. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and double-check all information before submitting withdrawal requests. Happy trading!